Hey everyone, my name's Andrew, and today I just want to talk about 5 different relatively inexpensive for videography accessories that I like to use. So first up, we have our screwdriver and hex key toolkit, useful so that way we're not having to use our keys or carry a bunch of screwdrivers around. Second accessory that I like, Aputure Light. So this is a small light I can put in a cold shoe. Doesn't require a hot shoe. You can slide in your hot shoe on your camera though. I love to use this during open dancing because if I use my big lights during open dancing, it kills the vibe, and that can be really frustrating for some guests as well as for the DJ. So this is a nice compromise for getting well-lit film. It also comes with a little diffuser on it, which is cool, magnetic. It's by color as well, so you can change the temperature to what you'd like, and you can charge it with the USB-C, so I like how it comes with a battery built in. Alright, next up we have this gimbal support. So I like putting the gimbal, sliding it into this holster here, so that way it takes the burden off my shoulders and arms, and it's really easy when I'm standing still for a long time holding it. I can just pop it in there. This definitely helps take that burden off, which can add up on a long wedding day. The only complaint that I heard was that it doesn't have a lot of cushion here, so how I compromise with that is I like to use my spider holster. So this is something that I'll use for both photo and video, and it provides a little bit of cushion in the front, so that way when this is resting, this back part's resting on it, it's not going to hurt me. So the spider holster is pretty convenient for being able to have a second camera on my hip. And then lastly, I have this variable MD filter. It has 5 stops of exposure on it, so it makes it really easy to brighten or darken footage without compromising on things like ISO, aperture, or shutter speed. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got to see some cool ideas for different accessories that you might use during your weddings or shoots. But thank you. Bye.